Hey y'all, I'm back with Project UNI, my 96 Toyota 4Runner, and today we're going to do the big 3, and I believe I'll actually upgrade to the big 4. But for today it's the big 3 because that's what I got. So I have I'm going to 4 gauge wire, one new power going from battery terminal to the alternator power, one new ground cable going to the body, one new ground cable I'm going to go to the alternator to the battery, and then I'm going to add the 4th one, which I'm going to go from the engine block, the back of the engine block, to the body. That'll be the 4th one. I didn't get it. I really wasn't thinking about it, so that's what I'm going to do though. At the same time, I'm going to replace the terminals. This battery will be coming out probably this spring, so I'm probably going to do some changes anyway, but I'm going to go to a dual battery. But I had to get some new posts. These things are so stretched out, I actually have pieces of pop can or beer can underneath them to help hold it on, so they were just done. So I grabbed a couple of these for some nice easy connections. I'm going to leave all the factory ground wires, factory power wires all in place. I'm going to add these ones to it. I'm not going bigger than 4 gauge because this is not a stereo rig. This is a 4x4. I am not trying to power massive subs and amps. I will be running a winch off this truck, probably a fridge, onboard air. I will be doing a remote panel somewhere in here, probably here, remote fuse panel, or maybe on that side, and then one in the back that's going to run like the fridge, air compressor, stuff like that. So that'll be in a later video, but for now I just want to get the big 3 done, or big 4, and stay tuned. All right guys, so all finished up with the big 3. Here's what I basically did. Like I said, I kept the original ground wires, the original power wire to the alternator. So I basically added a power wire to the alternator. The new terminals, obviously. I had to drill out all of the stuff that is smaller. The factory ground all had to be drilled out, stuff like that, but no big deal. The new terminals are now solid on it. I grinded the frame down, or the body down, sorry, to clean that. I added the other ground wire to the top of the alternator, actually with the dipstick bolts on. And then I'm still going to, I just haven't got it, like I said, I'll upgrade this tiny little ground wire here to the engine block. Oops, sorry, I'm blocking it. Engine block. So that'll be next, but for now it's all back together, it's all running, and let you know if I notice any difference. But that's it, it's the big 3 installed.